guys, McKenna Lauzon tour reviews. We're doing a Play-Doh challenge with my dad. Say hi.
Hi.
And he's gonna be going against me. And I'm just gonna get my trusty beads. Hold this, Dad. Okay. There we go. Okay.
So what do we do?
Okay, so this is how it works if you didn't see Play-Doh challenges. You try to make, you stick your hand in a bucket and you pick out a Shopkin. And if you have the right, if you don't have all the colors, then you just pick a new one. Because I don't have a lot of colors. Okay, and we pick a Shopkin. And then you guys vote of who did the best one. And time starts now. And we get 10 minutes. Come on.
You pick a Shopkin?
Yeah.
I'm going to put this guy here. So you got to make him? I'm going to make him.
Do we have enough colors? Yeah. We can have it. Okay, and I'm going to put my hand in the mystery box.
The pink.
Okay, I got Millie Mushroom, and now we're going to start.
Go.
Just making that, so I'm going to need orange. And I'm going to need a little bit of yellow for my colors.
It's going to be a 10-minute video.
Maybe more because we talked. My eyes aren't going to look very well. We can also use googly eyes.
Yeah?
Because I don't have white or black. Back right over here. This is what I'm going to do. This works. Yeah, that works. Now you can see it. Making the top of her. Yeah, you can see that. That one's real hard. Okay. Orange shape here. I'm really good at sculpting Play-Doh, so.
Yeah?
Yeah, watch out.
Alright.
Here's the top of it. There. Here's my yellow.
So that's I'm almost done.
When you're done, you just set it down to the other people are done.
Oh, yeah?
That's a good idea. You got one way easier than mine. Mine is a mushroom, Daddy. I hate mushrooms, but that one's cute. So nearly stood about 2 or 3 minutes. Here's the top of my mushroom. Here's what it looks like so far. I think that looks pretty good. My blue. And a little off color. Make some eyeballs.
Make some eyeballs.
I have googly eyes in my treasure box. And this will, I hope this will not stick. so far? It's been 5 minutes so far.
5 minutes.
You need the littlest googly eyes ever. These do not match, Daddy. There we go, 2 matching eyeballs.
There. I am done.
Okay, now set it right up here. Your eye looks funny. Where's your mouth? It's easy.
I did it.
Okay. 6 minutes. Well, wait. 4 minutes. 3 minutes left, actually.
Done.
And we'll suck off.
You're putting a ton of eyeballs.
Those are freckles.
The alien mushroom.
It's freckles, okay? It's hard. 3 minutes. 2 minutes to go, actually. Guys, it'll take me out. Okay. I'm still going like 10 seconds now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Done!
Okay, put them next to
Wait,
your
am I?
shotgun.
Okay. Put it next to him.
There you go.
Ah, his eyeball fell off. There we go. 2 eyeballs.
Okay. Now you gotta film it.
Okay. And closer to the real ones. This is what mine looks like compared to my mushroom. It looks pretty funny. Don't make fun of it. And here's my dad's. 1 big eyeball, 1 small eyeball.
You're pointing out the funny part.
Well, I guess it makes sense because he's winking, but whatever. So, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below which one. And bye, YouTube.